Good morning, my buntag. It's Sunday here. It's November 2. I am in Ligan City, Philippines, and November 2 is a very big occasion here. It is hold an Oslo Day. So come with me today and see how my day goes, and you can also see how Filipinos celebrate November 2 here. First stop, we will visit my grandpa's tomb and my aunt's. So we have to get some flowers. We should have flowers there. And that's my dad. Say hello, pa.
Hello.
We're gonna. Hi, ma. We'll buy some flowers. Maybe we'll buy three small flowers. Next, we have to buy a candle because usually when we go to a tomb, we have to do some prayers for their souls. If you remember, Philippines is majorly a Christian country. It is Catholic country specifically. So we'll buy some extra ones, and then we need match. Just like in any Southeast Asian countries. So if you see, there's lots of people here. It's November 2, and it's quite a very big event here. We're going into the cemetery now. So we are going to a public cemetery. There's quite a big difference between public and private cemetery. So right now we're going to the public cemetery. Okay. Bata kabalo. Thank you. So, grabe ang morning. Security, if you can see, the security is tight here because there's so many people. Thousands of people flock to the cemeteries just to make sure. There's another checkpoint here, entrance. So if you can see, we just entered the cemetery now. This is a public Roman Catholic cemetery. Take note of that because there are different practices for other religions. So again, this is a Roman Catholic cemetery. This is one. And people are praying. Here, tang tasa, bulak. Put na bulak ma. The candle, and then we can do some prayers. And we're gonna do prayers now. Talk to you later. Bye. We're heading out now. You can see the Hanging Tower. So many people visiting their loved ones on this special day. And now we're just going to do some light candle. And we're gonna offer another additional prayers for those loved ones we cannot visit, which have been buried somewhere else in the Philippines. So we also offer some prayers for them. That's why we're lighting a candle and putting it here. But we believe that we have to go through this like smoke thing, so the spirits will not follow us to our houses. And then some even believe that you have to wait for a couple of hours before even returning to your house. And some even believe that the clothes that you wore sa pag-visit mo sa cemetery, you have to take it off even before going to the inside your house. The reasoning daw is, to leave the bad energy behind, bad spirits behind before you go inside your house. Muna siya. We each have our own beliefs. It's okay. Everything. We have to be tolerant to other people's beliefs as long as it's not hurting anyone, it's not killing anyone, and it's not impeding anyone's liberty.